You've heard all about it, and now it's your time to check it out. The technology of the future, 3D printing. This 3-credit graduate level course is provided by PD Campus. Included in this course is the cost of a 3D printer of your own, design software, and materials to print your very first print. After taking this course, you'll know how to set up your printer correctly, navigate the computer software, and learn some of the troubleshooting techniques. So, if you're interested, make sure to check out pdcampus.org and look for a class coming near you.